Okay, we're going to take a look at this last example. Last example asks us to find the interest earned on this account. So we're going to take we're going to take that periodic deposit. This time it says we are going to deposit $500 a month for 20 years, compounded monthly at a rate of 2%. So we kept the end value, the time value, and the rate all the same. The only thing that changed was the periodic deposit amount. So that new periodic deposit amount is $500. Time value is still 20. Kind of wrote over it there, my apologies. The R value, 2%, when I divide that by 100 becomes, that is a decimal somewhere there, 0.02. And my N value monthly is the number 12. Okay, excellent. Plugging into my beautiful formula here. We've got a deposit of $500 a month, double parentheses, 1 plus the rate divided by N, and the rate is 0.02. The N value is 12. We're going to close those parentheses and raise it to the 12 times 20, just like the other three. Okay, most importantly, on the end here, you're going to have a -1 and close that parenthesis out. Denominator looks like 0.02 divided by 12. It's the ever lovely formula. Now, I said last time I was going to try something new, so I am. I'm going to get rid of this minus 36,000. This was our last amount for number 7. That was the account balance. The rate, the N, and the T are all the same. So to make my life easy, I'm literally going to get rid of that 150, and I'm going to put in the $500. You can do the same, you guys. If you want to only type this in one time and then just plug in the right numbers, you can do that as well. Okay, so this time, if I plug in the $500 a month for 20 years, my ending account balance is $147,398, and then 0.417 is rounding up to 42 cents. So balance $147,398, and you'd think I could remember the change from 2 seconds ago, but I can't. 42 cents. Excellent. Now we need to find out that amount paid in. So in this example, you paid $500 a month. So 500 times the compounding, the N value of 12, times the time value of 20. Basically, you guys, you're gonna use, finding a highlighter here. You are using the NT up here. Principal times N times T gives you how much you paid in total. And since I don't want to do that math by hand, 500 times 12 times 20 is $120,000 paid in over the 20 years. So if I want to find interest earned, I can come right up to the end of this lovely fraction and I can subtract $120,000. That tells me that the interest paid is going to be, to me, for this loan is 27,000, or not loan, sorry, for this interest earning account, the bank over 20 years has paid me $27,398.42. And so I'm going to go ahead and write that in really quick. I'm going to put I for interest. $27,398.12. You guys, just as a nice little reminder there, I found that by finding the amount paid in, and that amount paid in was $120,000. So I took my balance, I subtracted what I paid in, and that gives me my interest amount, that $27,398.12.